man.
It's a birdie. Boy.
Oh my God.
Boom, there's the money shot.
Yes. Yes. Oh yeah.
Woo!
I just found this one over here. This piece of one. Here. Found these pieces. Definitely a base. Hey, hey, hey. It's a blunt. That is a blunt. Yes, sir. I got out of work today. Didn't have to go in. Thought I'd just stop by here, and it has paid off. Couldn't help myself. Found this scraper here. Pretty good scraper. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Just found this little, I don't know if that was something or not, but I seen that one. That's a good one there. That's a good one. Heck yeah. I am tripping out. Just like always, getting ready to go home. I've had a killer haul so far. I mean, just found base, found one full point. I walked up on this dude and jokingly hit it and said, I wish that was Arrowhead. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Man. Check that out. Everywhere I walked there has been pieces. And I was amazed I ain't found more than what I have. Check that out. Golly. She might have a little base ding there, but my God, look at that. I'll wash it up later, but man, oh man. That is amazing. You can see where she's been laying there for a while. Oh Lord. Let's get out of here. Alrighty folks, this is cleanup on today's hunt. I was supposed to go to work and it didn't pan out. Work didn't pan out. I hate that. So I went arrowhead hunting. So unexpected hunt and come up with some unexpected finds. I'll show you some of these. Pretty good old base there. Just old rough point. This one's the one I found there. I think that's the first one I found. Just a piece. Rough old piece, but we'll take it. just work pieces here, and that looks like the possible tip. And that there was a big gouge right out of the top of it, but a good find. Then here was it's my second blunt I've ever found, and it was odd enough on the same site that I found my first blunt. But this looks like it was laying like that, like just a broke base until you turn it over. You can definitely tell she's worked it into a hafted scraper there. Blunt, stunner, stinger, whatever everybody calls them everything. But then I found this jewel. That's a pretty good point right here. A little bit different material than what I'm used to. It's like it's more dense. Scraper here. Sorry folks, I was trying to show this duckbill or snub nose scraper here, and my camera kept malfunctioning. I don't know why, but I had to switch to my phone. I thought that's a pretty cool piece though. And then here's my jewel. I never dreamed. When I seen that laying over, I thought it was a big piece of plastic. Went over and stabbed at it and said, boy, wouldn't that be nice if that was one. And when I hit it, look at that long fingernails. And I said, oh my God. This right here is a jewel. Best I can tell, it was it was going to be a straight bottom up like this and across. And it's got one chip out of it. You can tell it looks pretty fresh. But it definitely got hit right there and drove that corner off. You can tell it was coming straight across. It could have had a base on it, but I think it was triangular. But look at the workings on this thing. For sure, biggest I've ever found. I think it's random flaking, best I can tell. And I tried to look it up. Man, I don't know. But it might need Ben Allen on this. Tell me what it is. And it is from here to here is exactly, 6 inches on the dot. 6 inch. A pure beauty. It's got finely serrated edge on it. I looked it up in the book. I'm thinking, and I may be wrong, y'all help me out on this, but it's looking like to me a Benton blade. But I'm like I say, I'm not. It does have a bevel. Looks like it's got a bevel, so it's been resharpened. In the book is a Benton bottleneck, and this is about the exact same size as the one in the book, but it ain't got it. This one doesn't have the bottleneck shape, kinda, but it don't have any other shape either. That's killer, man. It's killer. What a beauty. All right, folks, I appreciate it. Appreciate you watching, and happy hunting.